Assalamu alaikum dear students, let's do some questions which are given at the end of this lesson that we have completed the Kashmiri shawl. Tatu bacho आज करो इस new question इसे complete करते हैं नाव lesson show the Kashmiri shawl इमुक इस गोडनु question the first question which is given what do you understand by the तालीम who writes it H1 इस आत्मा जी तालीम इस में देना से वहाँ इम आत पर हम शाल बनावा इस सो कुछ तालीम उस किम च लिस्ट में से the तालीम means a set of instructions which is written in the traditional sign or shawl alphabet for the weavers. And who writes it? A talim guru writes it. The second question, how is pashmina obtained? How is it different from the other types of wool? Ye pashmina kache hasil kara to ye kith put imusund year bein year nish different. Pashmina is obtained from a cattle goat and its wool is soft, its wool is delicate, its wool is more expensive than the other types of wool. The third question, how did the Europeans come to know about the Kashmiri shawl? European kirput lish pata image Kashmiri shawl. The Europeans come to know about the Kashmiri shawl when the first European, Francis Bernier, visited Kashmir in 1664, who wrote about its fineness, delicacy, and the fabric material which is used in its making. The fourth question, what is the other name for the designer of the Kashmiri shawl? Designer is kya is byak now when I say design nakash. So you can write the answer. The other name for the designer of the Kashmiri shawl is nakash. The fifth question, who brought the shawl to Kashmir? How do you know? He came on over. This was now Sultan Zainul Abidin. It was Sultan Zainul Abidin who brought the shawl to Kashmir. And how do you know? We came to know when Karl von Hugel in 1836 wrote that Sultan Zainul Abidin summoned a great weaver from Turkestan to build a loom in 15th century. How is the Kashmiri shawl different from the European one? Kashmiri shawl is the European shawl is kya farak? Dear students, that is a very important question. Kashmiri shawl is made in one piece. European shawl is made in several pieces. That's one difference. Another difference is the material which is used in Kashmiri shawl, that is soft, that is delicate, that is more expensive material, and the material which is used in making European shawl, that is slick and heavy material than the material which is used in making Kashmiri shawls. And the seventh one, why are shawls so popular? Shawls are used as wedding gifts in Kashmir. They are woven by the brides, they are woven by the men of elite classes. That is why the shawls are so popular in Kashmir. Second part, say whether the following statements are true or false. Write T or F in the boxes. Yus tay nimam maz bash sahi, that's lekhun T box maz. Yus bash tay wrong, that's lekhun F. The first one, Nagasbek visited Kashmir in 1836. So Nagasbek, so Karl von Hugel is your Ardashat Shetrasmas. So it is wrong, yet lekos F. Josephine got a Kashmiri shawl from Akbar. It is also wrong, yet lekos F. Pashmina wool is taken from a goat. Is sahi ashya wild goods in Shasl kara. So it's like T. Europeans could not copy the Kashmiri shawl. Magar tum is kara copy. Go it chidit tum is ne kara copy ke is like F. The Kashmiri shawl is made in Europe. It is also wrong. So Europe is mas bana ke Kashmir mas bana yet lekos F. Hugel visited Kashmir more than a century after Bernier. You should write yet lekos T. European women preferred the Kashmiri shawl to their own. Tum is kara prefer him European design. So it is also correct. Yet lekos T. Language work. Kashmir is the place where Kashmiris live. Kashmir sujayit Kashmir is rosa. Kus language is bola Kashmiri. Make similar statements about the following. Each place dit, place in tal dit, Britain. वह लेखुन कि ब्रिटनस मज रोजान लूख तिमन क्या वन तो लैंग्वेज तम बोलान इंग्लिश तिमन वन ब्रिटन्स चाइना चाइना यम रोजन वल तिमन वन चाइनीज पत कुछ लैंग्वेज तम बोलान तम बोलान चाइनीज लैंग्वेज त इजराइल ये लूख इजराइल तो लैंग्वेज क्या तम बोलान तम बोलान हेब्रू HEBREW फलस्तीन तिमन वन तक रोजन वल फलस्तीनियंस हम बोलान अरबिक लैंग्वेज जापान जापान प्लेस यम लूख रोजन वल तम गई जापानीज तो लैंग्वेज बोलान तम जापानीज अमेरिका कंट्री प्लेस तक लूख तिमन वन अमेरिकन्स तो लैंग्वेज तम बोलान इंग्लिश सऊदी अरबिया गई अरब्स लैंग्वेज बोलान अरबिक होलैंड तिमन वन डैन्स तम बोलान डैनिश आयरलैंड तक रोजन वल लूकन वन आयरिश तो लैंग्वेज तम बोलान आयरिश थैंक यू